In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track time in teamwork.com and why it's one of the best tools for managing your team's productivity. If you're new to Teamwork, time tracking might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but by the end of this video, you'll be an expert at using it to optimize your workflow. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can actually try Teamwork for free by clicking the link in the description below, where you'll also get exclusive bonuses. Stick around until the end because I'll share some time-saving tips and an extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. So let's get started. First, let's talk about setting up your time tracking. Once you're logged into Teamwork, the time tracking feature is integrated directly into your tasks. Simply go to your project or task list, and you'll see a button to start tracking time. This is the most straightforward way to record how much time you've spent on each task. The timer will run in real time, showing you the exact time spent. Now, if you want to track time manually, you can enter the hours worked directly into the Time tab of your task. Just click on the task, add your time entry, and specify the hours worked, along with any comments or details. This feature is ideal if you forget to start the timer, or if you're entering time after the fact. Another great thing about Teamwork's time tracking is its flexibility. You can assign time entries to specific team members, so everyone knows who's responsible for what, making it easier to analyze productivity at both an individual and team level. This can be crucial when you need to report on how time is being spent or optimize your team's performance. For managers, there's an additional benefit. You can view all time entries across your projects in a centralized report. This is perfect for tracking the overall time spent across different clients or tasks. The time tracking reports are super customizable, allowing you to filter by team members, projects, or time ranges. This gives you detailed insights into how time is being allocated, so you can make data-driven decisions about how to improve your team's efficiency. If you're working on a client-based project, you can even use the time tracking data to generate invoices. The hours logged can be easily converted into billable time, which streamlines the process of creating accurate invoices for your clients. This is a huge time saver for service-based businesses. There's also an option to set time estimates for your tasks. This helps you stay on track and allows you to see if you're ahead or behind schedule, which is incredibly useful when juggling multiple projects. Finally, if you want to take your time tracking to the next level, Teamwork integrates with several popular apps like Harvest and Toggle. So if you're already using these for time tracking, you can sync them seamlessly with your Teamwork projects. So, in summary, tracking time in teamwork.com is simple and flexible, offering a real-time timer, manual entry, customizable reports, and integration with other tools to keep your workflow efficient and accurate. Remember, you can try Teamwork completely free by clicking the link in the description below. And don't forget, with this exclusive offer, you get extended access to all the premium features. Thanks for watching, and happy time tracking.